Have you seen videos like this before?
You're incompetent, Ben! Pack your things and get out! You're fired! How will I pay rent? Is this it?
Well, if you haven't seen videos like this yet, they're actually one of the newest trending niches on TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts. Check out this TikTok page. It gained over 200,000 followers in just a few days and pulled in more than 5 million likes in that same short time. The crazy part is that the channel has posted fewer than 20 videos, yet over 200,000 people are already following it. That's honestly insane. All they post are fruit human animated videos, and the number of likes they're getting is wild. One of their videos alone has over 1.4 million likes. This other TikTok page gained over 3 million followers in just a few weeks, and they only posted about 10 videos. 3 million followers, that's unbelievable. But you already know how we do things here. I don't gatekeep any updates. I've already created the prompt you need to make videos like these, and I'm going to share everything with you step by step. How to edit, generate your images, animate them, what tools to use, and more. It's all packed into this video. So let's get started. But before that, take a second to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos like this. For this particular video, we're going to be using Google Gemini. You can use the free version or the pro version, whichever one you want. Once you open Google Gemini, head over to Google Docs. If you need the prompt, just comment prompt, and I'll send it to you right away. When you're in Google Docs, copy the prompt I created specifically for this video. Make sure you copy everything carefully so you don't miss any important details. Then, go back to Google Gemini, paste it in, and hit send. After that, Google Gemini will process the prompt and give you a response like this with up to 10 different video ideas. All you need to do is pick the one you want to work with. For me, I'm going with this specific idea, so I'll copy it, paste it into the chat, and hit send. Now Gemini will go ahead and process the prompt, and then it generates a full, detailed script we will use to create the video, from image generation to image animation, and even the complete voiceover script for the entire video. It should look something like this. Once your prompt is fully generated and you're happy with the results, scroll back up and copy the first image generation prompt. After that, open any image generator you want to use. I'm using Gemini, so I'll paste the prompt into Gemini and hit send. It'll take a few seconds to process, and then it'll generate a clean result that looks like this. You can see how perfect this looks, exactly what we were aiming for. Now, you just need to repeat the same process a few more times since we have 6 image generation prompts. Keep in mind, the number of images may change depending on the video idea you choose. Go back to Google Gemini, copy the second image generation prompt, return to your image generator, paste it in, and hit send. After it processes again, your result should look something like this. And just like that, our second image is ready. You can see how clean and accurate it looks, and it matches the storyline we're working with. Now, repeat the same process a few more times until all your images are generated. Once they're done, download and save them because you'll need them for the image animation step. For the animation, we'll be using Google Flow. Now let's get into it. Once you open Google Flow, click on New Project, and you'll see an interface like this. I already made a video showing how to get free credits on Google Flow, so make sure you check that out. I added it in the description. After that, adjust a few settings. Select video mode, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, set result to 1, and make sure VO3 is selected. Then go ahead and import all the images you generated into Google Flow. It'll take a few seconds to process them, and once it's done, all your images will be ready to use. Next, drag the first image into the timeline. Then head over to Google Gemini and copy the first image animation prompt. Come back to Google Flow, paste it in, then return to Gemini one more time and copy the voiceover prompt and paste that in as well. Once everything is pasted correctly, just hit generate. Once you send it, Google Flow will take a few seconds to process the prompt and then generate a clean video like this. No distortions, smooth lip sync, and natural reactions. After that, just repeat the same process a few more times to generate the rest of your videos. Now just repeat the same steps we followed earlier. Drag the second image into the timeline, go back to Google Gemini and copy the second image animation prompt. Then return to Google Flow and paste it in. After that, head back to Gemini again, copy the voiceover prompt, come back to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your second video will be ready. Now you can see how easy it is to animate your videos. Just keep following these same steps until all the images you generated have been fully animated. After that, download all the videos and save them in one folder. For the final part of this video, I'll show you how to put everything together using an editing tool. I'll be using CapCut, so let's get started. Once you open your editing tool, I'm using CapCut. All you need to do is import the videos you generated with Google Flow. Once your videos are imported successfully, drag them into the timeline in the same order you generated them so everything stays aligned with your storyline. After that, play through the video to make sure everything is in sync, then add a background sound. I'm going with this particular track, but you can use any song in CapCut as long as it's free to use. Once you've picked the sound you want to use, drag it into the timeline, trim any extra parts, and lower the volume a bit so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Now select all your videos, right-click, and choose Separate Audio. Then click Vocals. It'll process the clip and separate the voice from the background sound. After that, lower the background sound a bit so it doesn't clash with the voice and everything sounds clearer. This is just an extra tip. If you don't want to do it, that's totally fine. Now scale your video slightly so it fits the frame perfectly. Then go ahead and add transitions between each scene, one step at a time. After that, we're going to add auto captions. Just click on Text, then select Auto Captions. It'll take a few moments to process, and your captions will automatically appear on the screen. Then head over to Templates and choose from different text styles, fonts, and designs. I personally like using this one, so I'll select it. After that, play through the video one more time to make sure everything looks good, then click Export. And that's pretty much it. Your final result should look something like this.
This idea will revolutionize how we connect. We just need to launch.
Connect! Your ideas are soft and childish, just like you. Rejected. Permanently.
You were wrong. I deserve respect.
She took her soft idea and built something harder to ignore. I crushed the only talent this company ever had. I made a mistake. Are you hiring?
We only hire leaders. Good luck.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more high-quality AI prompts, just type prompt in the next video.